good. I mean, that's all you really need is a couple of really good clients to kind of keep the wolves at bay, and then the rest is,
Yeah,
honing those skills and growing. Yeah.
I was just going to show you this after Tuesday night. You made the comment about the icons
Yes.
over here. So if there's already a photo
Ah,
uploaded, they get a camera.
Oh, nice.
They've got to upload. They push the button,
and yeah,
and I
and
was,
a pop-up.
yeah, I tried to work out how to get them to change color, but I couldn't. In my code, I wasn't able to work out quickly the other night. Um, yeah, so I want to use like a traffic light system. So if the photo's up there, I want it to, and it's old, I want it to show yellow or red. If it's green, then it's okay. So
Yeah.
I had a look at a few things in CSS and yeah, so I'm not quite sure what to do with that. But anyway, so I got that bit to work. So that's just working on.
Are they font awesome icons?
Um,
You should be able to use just
I
the
think they're just the standard ones.
you should be able to just use the classes from danger and the standard
I did
conventional.
I did actually try that alert
Mm,
warning,
mm,
whatever.
mm.
It
So
actually
what are they? Like if you right click and show me the
Yeah,
oh,
look at the source
uh,
code. Yeah.
yeah, so I
But
changed.
just you'd add it just into where it's got
yeah.
icon
So it's font
class.
awesome.
Yeah, text primary. So you would add in after text primary, you could add a color. And there shouldn't be a dot in there.
No, there shouldn't be a dot.
There shouldn't be a dot, Terry, in front of your text primary.
It's probably because I copied it. Yeah. Uh,
Yeah. So that doesn't need to be there. And it needs a
Yeah, if you were to click in the icon camera before bit over on the right and put in a new line and say color green, it should change.
yeah.
so over here, put in a new
No,
one.
no, no, don't add anything.
Where you were.
Ah, okay, up
So
here.
just click at the end of content
Yeah.
and it'll do
Yeah.
another line and just
Yeah.
put color.
Color. Yeah. And just put green just so we see what shows
There
up.
you go.
Yeah. See? There you go.
Bada bang, bada boom.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's happening as a part of the before thing.
But that's what loads the icon is the before element.
Okay.
Mm.
That might be why because when I tried it, that text primary, I also tried the alert, so alert, warning, alert, success, and whatever. But
Yeah,
it wanted to draw a box of color around it,
Yeah.
changing the
yeah,
icon.
correct. Yes.
Mm.
Now, the icons load through pseudo elements in this fashion,
Yeah.
which is
Before or
what the
afters.
before and
Yeah,
afters are.
Before and afters.
that,
Yeah.
that thing there.
Yeah.
So I need
Yeah.
to work out how to. So that's still.
So if you've got, so basically, if you can apply classes above that based on status, you can then change the color. So if you've got photo upload, if you've got a class that says it's been uploaded and you attach that to the icon class, then you can change the color of the before.
Right. Okay. I was just away trying to find the bit of code where it happens. Okay. I'll drag this across.
So you'll need to add and remove classes based on whatever's happening.
Mm.
Yeah. So this is how I'm switching.
Take the dots out of all
Yeah,
of
get rid of
those.
those dots, Terry.
They're all wrong. Yeah. You don't have a dot in
That's
class.
breaking a CSS.
So what I was working on something like indicator, photo indicator is a class name,
Yep.
Yeah.
or indicator good, bad, or ugly, and then
Yep.
put a class a CSS statement for good, bad, and ugly as green, red, or yellow.
That's right. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, because it was throwing me. I didn't really have a lot of time to actually play with the color, but yeah, when I did do it, it just wanted to do a box around the icon. I couldn't work out how to get the icon to change. Even
Yeah.
though I was telling it that was the class. So
No, it's
I
just
was
that
all that before stuff. Okay, that's good. Well,
before. Yeah. So
um,
that'll look good with color, Terry. It'll
It
actually
will.
make
Yeah.
hmm.
more
Well, I was hoping to sort of keep it standard, so it would, because that's just the standard Joomla one.
Yeah.
Hopefully, it would be able to use whatever the theme on the template would.
Yeah, no, I mean, that's just such an improvement on the usability of it, you know, and on just the clarity that there is actually already something there, and you can have some kind of little
Yeah.
explainer. But that's good.
Because I've also got the problem over here. They've got this last transaction column, but they also do a stock take, and they want to do the same thing. So if the thing's getting a bit old, like the last time it had a stock take, they just want their date there. But I had thought I'd do the same trick once I worked it out. It's changed the colour, so anything in red will show up. Hey, you better go out and give it a stock take. And
Yeah.
but yeah. So anyway, no, that's good. Was that just really just showing you to show you that I actually put
That's
there and changed the icon, but
that's
yeah.
a
Well done.